looks like.
Neostorm, 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 race car, Neostorm, race car, Neostorm, race car.
No sweat. Get up there. Only at Duluth stores and
Yippee.
DuluthTrade.com.
The truck, the truck,
The NHL went to the Sharks 5-4 in overtime. Controversial finish.
the truck,
Timo Meier makes a hand pass to his
the
teammate
truck.
Gustav Nyquist, who passes to Erik Karlsson. You cannot pass a puck in hockey with your hand. The play should have been blown dead. However, after the officials got together, they ruled good goal. Our Greg Wyshynski with some reporting.
Bucci on the ice, the Blues were angry. Braden Shen slamming his stick against the end boards and breaking it. Down in the bowels of the arena, GM Doug Armstrong slamming his hand on the door of the officials' room, saying the call was garbage. And for the second time this postseason, the San Jose Sharks have been the beneficiary of a blown call. The first time it happened, Game 7 against the Vegas Golden Knights, the NHL reached out to Vegas and apologized. One wonders if they'll do the same for the St. Louis Blues after this Game 3 loss. Bucci?
Thanks, Greg. Mark Jeanette, Dan O'Rourke, Matt McPherson, Johnny Murray. The Lions all got together, but no one saw it. Here's Kay Whitmore, the NHL officiating supervisor. It's a non-reviewable play, meaning you can't look at it via replay. If you knock it in the net with your hand, you can't do that, but not a pass. You can read between the lines. You can figure out what you want. You watch the video, but it's just non-reviewable. I know that sounds like a cop-out answer, but that's the truth.
Just two teams left in the West as we welcome once again to the Western Conference Finals.
The transformer, the truck, the truck, the truck, the truck.
Despite the 2 MVPs and the 3 championships, so many people, fans and media alike, continue to take shots at Steph Curry, and some even go as far as trying to play him for a sucker. But after dropping 33 in the second half of that Game 6 closeout of the Rockets and 36 in the Western Conference Finals opener against the Blazers, Steph got to be looking at his haters right now.
Transformer, the truck,
you know how to make shots. You know what else Steph does really well? Get good insight and perspective during interviews, including this excerpt of his conversation with Rachel Nichols.
Black truck.
Curry taking the three. Rolls it down. One shot by Steph Curry. He's taking over here in the fourth.
The cement truck with the green, cement truck with the green,
Game 5 against Houston, Game 6.
cement truck with the cement truck with the green.
2015, 2016. Does it feel that way to you?
With our core, obviously, without K, we have to play differently, and we have to kind of highlight what everybody's strengths are and do it by committee. Nobody, it's weird to say gave us a shot. We said we shouldn't have won the Houston series or whatever the case is. So, again, confidence and trust in each other to be able to make that adjustment on the fly.
Cheer for me. Cement truck. Yippee. The green truck.
The entire season.
Cement truck.
The Rockets were up 3-2 in last year's
Yippee.
conference finals, and Chris Paul went down, and Rockets would have beaten the Warriors otherwise.
For sure. I know they have a slogan, run it back, and the whole vibe is like,
The bill truck.
you play the what if.
The bill truck.
All you want to.
The bill truck. The bill truck.
Take a little
You know,
satisfaction
bill
away
truck.
from Brooklyn.
Bill truck.
You saw
Yeah,
that was pretty neat.
Steph Curry and his brother Steph become the first brother combination
Yeah,
to ever face each other in a conference final.
So I know that you guys have played games against each other plenty before, but you've been to
The stem.
this high
The
stakes.
stem.
He hasn't. This is the
The
biggest
stem.
moment of his career, and
The-
his big brother,
the-
you wanted to do
the
well. So when he's
stem.
running and launches a shot,
Yippee.
what are you thinking? I hope it goes in. I hope it doesn't go in. Where's your brain at?
Bam.
Let's just put it this